Simon.
That you took it out. Give it. What held it in, Sam?
I don't know, John took it out. John took it out.
Then he gave it you.
Then he gave it me.